All right, here we go. Question number 3 from our Precalculus, homework number 13 in MyLab Math. It says a sequence is defined recursively. Now, what recursively means is that a term, the general term, is defined by the term that came before it. A sub n minus 1, we refer to that as the previous term. So let's say that if I wanted the second term, that would be n is 2. Well, that means this n would have to be 2 also, but 2 minus 1 is 1. So all of that to say, if you want the second term, you need the first term. And then if you want the third term, you need the second term. It kind of builds on itself. And they do want us to write the first 5 terms of the sequence. So if we scroll up a bit, look at that. The first term they want is a sub 1. So let's take our information they gave me to the scratch work and see how this works. So in the scratch work, notice that they did give me the first term. And when you have a recursive formula, you are going to have to be given a term of the sequence. They do usually give you the first term. So here's what we need. We need the first term. Well, the first term is given to be 3. So we don't really need to find the first term. It is given. Therefore, we need to start with the second term, which means that n is 2. But if this n is 2, every n is 2. So this would be 8 minus a to the 2 minus 1. Yes, I'm showing a lot of detail for this first one. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I know a sub 1 is 3. So then the second term is 8 minus 3, which is 5. And that takes care of the second term. Now, to find the third term, we're going to go a little bit faster. That is going to be 8 minus, remember I said a sub n minus 1 can be called the previous term. And the previous term was 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then we move on to the fourth term. Well, the fourth term is 8 minus the previous term, which is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. And do you see a pattern? 3, 5, 3, 5. This looks like it's just a repeating pattern of 3 and 5. So the fifth term would be 8 minus the previous term. 8 minus 5 is 3, and we're done. We have the first 5 terms of the recursive formula. Back to the MyLab math. All right, here we go. First term is 3. Remember that was given. Next term, we got to be 5. Yay. Third term, 3. Fourth term, 5. Fifth term, back to 3. And that's going to do it for this problem. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me, and thanks for watching.